Our 80-pound yellow lab is Katie, and she is about 4.5 years old now. She is very frightened by loud noises. 4th of July and New Year's Eve are always difficult for her with the fireworks. I've looked at CBD for dogs. I'm using the peanut butter CBD chews, which she absolutely loves. Now she does still a little bit of the whining, but it's nowhere near the degree that she did 2 years ago.